ओळीबद्दल.
रघुपती राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम. रघुपती राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम. ईश्वर हल्ला तेरो नाम, सबको सम्मति दे भगवान. ईश्वर हल्ला तेरो नाम, सबको सम्मति दे भगवान. Good morning everyone. My name is Srivardan. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Respected chief guests, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, I feel great pride today because on this day in 1947 we got independence from British rule. Friends, our freedom fighters like Rani Lakshmibai, Lokmanya Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Veer Savarkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many others devoted their entire life for our nation. Independence Day reminds us our duty. We should work hard, stay united, and make our nation proud. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Your beliefs become your thoughts, your thoughts become your words, your words become your actions, your actions become your habits, your habits become your values, your values become your destiny." At last, once again, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. East or West, India is best. Jai Hind! Jai Bharati! Vande! Vande! Vande!
Wonderful performance. Thank you for sharing us your thoughts.